Welcome coding maniacs and keyboard warriors to the kingdom of programming. Today we are diving into the magical world of OOP attributes. You know, those iterative variables inside the object that behave like the VIP guest at the party. They hold all the values. But don't worry, they are not like your friend who keep losing their car keys and blames you. OOP attributes are well-behaved, loyal, and unlike us, they never forgot their purpose in life. Think of the attributes like a cat's personality, unique, unpredictable, and sometimes demanding treats in the middle of your coding session. But hey, without attributes, your object is just an empty shell, like a pizza without toppings. Stick around because by the end of the video, you will know how to make your attributes so dynamic they will feel like main characters in the Netflix drama. And remember, code responsibly on your attributes might start a rebellion. Let's dive in. So guys, in today's Python video, I'm telling about the attributes in Python. Object-oriented programming means OOP. So let's learn about it without wasting any time. In object-oriented programming OOP in Python, attributes refer to variables that belong to an object or a class. They are used to store data relevant to the objects or the class. Types of attributes. First, instance attributes. It defined inside a class method, usually in the init constructor. These are unique to each instance of the class. Okay. Number 2, class attributes. It's shared class across all the instances of the class. They are defined directly within the class but outside any methods. This is one code example here, you can see it. So let me copy this code. Okay, and let me copy this code. And then let me go on my Visual Studio Code and let me create a file and create a new window. And then I am making one file by the name of index.py and I am making this file on my documents. Now, first of all, let me show you all the codes which we have written down. So let me show you. This all code we have written down. Okay. Now let me explain you. First of all, we create a class attribute and my class attribute name should be car. Then, in the third line of code, we share our all instance object of the share all instance of the class Here you can see in the number third line. And in the sixth line, we give the instance attributes. And in the seventh line, we give the unique to each instance. Then here we are accessing our instance attributes, okay, in this line, in the 13th line, and in the 17 and 18 line we creating objects instance of the car class like Toyota Corolla red, Honda Civic blue, like this. Then here we are accessing our instance attribute, means that the output will become here red Toyota Corolla with 4 wheels, and then in the 22 line the output will become blue Honda Civic with 4 wheels. In the 25 line we are accessing our class attribute and the output will become 4. And then here we are modifying our attributes, okay, like car1, I create a one variable by the name of car1.color equals to, I give the black. Here I am changing our instance attribute, and in the 29th line we give the output should be black Toyota Corolla with 4 wheels. Then in the 31 line we are changing our class attributes. Then in the 32 line the output will become black Toyota Corolla with 5 wheels, and in the 33 line the output will become blue Honda Civic with 5 wheels. Okay, this type of an output will become, and I have explained you all the codes. So let's see and let's run this code. Save it and then run it. So now it give me the output should be red Toyota Corolla with 4 wheels, blue Honda Civic with 4 wheels, 4. Black Toyota Corolla with 4 wheels, black Toyota Corolla with 4 wheels, and then blue Honda Civic with 5 wheels. So like that you will be make this OOP instance in Python. Key point. Now let me explain you some key points. Or let me come here. Or you can change here the car names also. Oh, okay. Here you give the you will be change the car names and its colors also, like BMW, like X5/XVC, and colors will be blue. Or you will be also write here Tesla. Or write Tesla /X9, and then colors will be black. Save it and run it. So now it give you blue BMW X5/XVC with 4 wheels, black Tesla X9 with 4 wheels, black BMW X5/XVC with 4 wheels, black BMW X5/XVC with 5 wheels. Our cars will be modified. Then black Tesla XD with 5 wheels. So here our cars will be modified. So like that. Or you want to change here the colors, you will be also be change it. Or here if you want to say the wheels, so you will be also change the wheels also. Okay, this is your own choice. Or you will be change the wheel from here, so you will also be change it. It is your own choice. Now key points. First, instance attribute. Define within the init using self. Each object gets its own copy. Okay, instance attribute. Now number 2, class attributes. It defines the outside any method. All objects share the same copy unless overridden in an instance. Number 3, accessing the attributes. Use the dot operator with the object or class name. Now, this structure provides the flexibility to manage data specific to objects or shared across all the objects. So, in today's video, I told you about the attributes in our Python object-oriented programming. So, I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss any future related videos about the Python of object-oriented programming videos. And I know this video is smaller because this is starting out for object-oriented programming, so that's why the videos are be smaller. But from tomorrow the video will be not smaller. This is the guarantee from me. Okay, so but anyways, in today's video I told you about the attributes in Python of the object-oriented programming. And please do not forget to access my Python playlist and bookmark it also. And when someone is telling me when I'm opening your channel, the channel is giving you the error, but now my channel will be not give you the error. I have solved this error when you write Rayyan on Google, and when you search it, so now it will be directly go into my channel. Now it not give you any error. So we are very near to 5,000 subscribers, so please complete it. And then click on the playlist, and then click on the Python tutorial with Python full course playlist. And first of all, bookmark this playlist and see all the videos of this playlist. And successfully we completed the 169 video when we add this video also. So we completed 170 videos of the Python in this year, and I think so this is our longest series, one longest video, okay, sorry, one longest series of the Python. And from where we start this channel, let me see, come down. 3 months ago we started this channel, and we completed 170 videos in 3 months. How this is possible? In 3 months there is, like, if I plus 31 plus 31 plus 31, 93 days in 31 in 3 months, and we completed 170 video in 3 months. Okay, this is a very big achievement is for me, okay, and for you also. We completed 170 videos, okay. And that's, my friend, is the magic of OOP attributes. They are like the personality of your objects. Without them, your code is as boring as a plain boiled rice. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what attribute you will give to your favorite object. Me, I will give my coffee mug the attributes. Until next time, keep coding and keep your objects happy.